What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got a cool video coming for you guys today on the wife's 17 STI. We got a new mod coming. We're gonna be installing that. We're gonna be fighting some daylight today, so we're gonna be heading to the in-laws garage to be doing the install. And you know, I just want to say thank you to everybody out there that's been watching our videos, following all of our builds. I highly appreciate, you know, everybody, you know, commenting and liking all of our videos. It's super awesome. So, and remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure you hit that bell notification button. Let's jump into the video. Man, I hate the rain. Super windy out. It's raining. Daylight saving sucks, but we're gonna take, you know, any little advantage we can, and we're gonna hit up the garage. We're gonna start modding Sylvie. All right, guys, so like I said, literally daylight saving sucks. It's literally been like, I don't know, 25 minutes and it's already pitch dark out. So we're gonna grab some Chick-fil-A and then we're gonna hit up the garage and start doing this install. All right, guys, we had to stop at the gas station. We just filled up. There's some 93 in her. 59 bucks. Not bad. Nice. All right, let's hit up Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, so we haven't even told you what type of mod that we're going to be doing to this thing. We got new taillights to throw on Sylvie. They're SPEC taillights. They're going to be sequential. They're going to be all red because Em wanted to keep the all red look. She didn't want, you know, to do the blacked out look like most people are doing to the silver. So we're going to do the all red, but they're going to be sequential and they're going to be super clean. So let's start this install. Let's unbox these things.
So these tail lights come with a nice handy dandy installation and care instructions. So you literally can follow step by step how to install these, or you can skip that and just watch us. Okay, so all that you need is a 8mm socket.
So obviously you're gonna want to take your clip out so you can get access to your tail light, and then you got 3 bolts back there. So I'm gonna let Em tackle this install. Em's got that. Em's got that. Alright guys, so she's got all the bolts out. So now she's just gonna unplug the tail light and we should be able to slide that baby right out. It's coming. All set. Nice.
For sale.
Some stock taillights. If y'all need taillights, hit me up. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so before obviously we install new taillight, I'm just giving it a quick wipe. Making it all nice, getting all that gunk out of there. And then we'll start tackling the new taillight. All right, she's got it on there. Now she's gonna put the 3 bolts back. So she's got the tail light in and she's got her 3 nuts bolted on. So now she's just gonna connect, obviously, the wire back in and tighten up the 3 bolts and we're gooch. Taillights, guys, super easy. If any of you guys are, you know, looking to do some taillights out there to your Subi, jump on it, man. It's such an easy install, super smooth, and it makes a hell of a difference. Look at the difference, guys. That's nuts. New, old. Woo. Matches the brake light now much better too. Oh yeah. New, old. Tackle this install together. You do one side, I do the other.
Whose camera footage is better? See, I get the good angles, so.
Alright guys, we didn't end up showing you on the other taillight, but we'll show you on here. It does come with these taillight resistors, and it's super plug and play. It comes with little adapters for you, so you just plug them right in, and it comes with a little 3M, so you just stick that on, and that's literally it. So we figured we'd show you guys.
Brandon just got tagged in the head. Beep.
All right. Now she's ready to get bolted up. Alright guys, so both taillights have officially been installed. How do you feel about them?
I really like them.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Thank you for buying them for
Say less, of course.
And give them to me early Christmas gift.
Of course, early Christmas gifts are the best. Alright guys, other than obviously, you know, it being sequential and the bar being, you know, a lot more visible, the black trim looks super, super sharp. Compared to the OEM, no black trim, black trim. That looks super, super sharp. So let's turn this baby on, let's get some slow-mos. Put your reverse on. Nice. Oh my god, that looks sick. That looks sick. Come back here.
How about the brake?
Yeah, hit the brake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. That looks awesome.
Give you all the motions I want to see.
Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about the taillights. We absolutely love them. Make sure you know, comment in the description, let us know what you think. And we'll drop the link in the description to where you can buy these bad Larrys. Alright everybody, remember if you're liking all the content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification button. Subi fam out, baby.